So over here on the left hand side on the bottom section, you can see that labels is an option which displays out different labels of the post that I have posted right here. So for example, all of these example posts and scenery right here, what happens is that these are linked with this blog right here, as you can see. So if you have multiple posts, then it'll show up multiple labels right here. If you want to adjust and change around how this particular gadget works or looks, then you can go around onto your dashboard and then go around under layout right here. Once you go around over there, you can see that labels is an option and you can go around and edit it out. If you don't see labels as a gadget, you can go around and click on add a gadget and then insert labels from over here as well. I'm going to go around over here and then let's say for example rename the labels to keywords over here, and you can sort it by frequency, change the display type to list, and maybe you want to show the number per label as well, and you can only show selected label over here as well, so you can check it out and select out the labels that are there in your blog, or just go around and select out all labels as well and hit the save button. So you can see that it is customizable. So if I were to go around and refresh it now, you can see the number of times the label has been used as well. So as you use the same label for multiple posts, you will see more numbers on the side of it as well. And that is how you can go around and work around with the Labels gadget inside of Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.